Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we will be cooking rice and beans. So at this point I'm washing the beans. Yes, I do wash beans before I start pre-cooking, and after that I will pour it into a pot that already has water in it and start pre-cooking. So I will check back after some time to see if it is half cooked, and as you can see it is already half cooked. In case I forget, this is actually 2 cups of beans and 4 cups of rice. As you can see, I've added the rice. At this point I will stir and allow it to continue cooking. I will check back and see. As you can see, it is good to go. I will have to wash and pour it into the sieve and set aside. I'll return back to an empty pot, then add vegetable oil into it and introduce the sliced onion into the vegetable oil. Stir a bit, then add my tomato paste. I actually use 3 sachets of tomato paste. Yes. After which I will stir so that it doesn't get burnt underneath. I will then add my seasoning. This is curry powder, and after which I will add the thyme. This is me adding thyme. Like I told you earlier, this is a low budget rice and beans. With your chicken money, this food is good to go. I will stir a bit, then come back after some time to add water. I'm not using meat, so no steamed meats, water from steamed meats in this case, so I'll be using ordinary water. At this point I'm adding crayfish, and I really have to use enough crayfish because no water from steamed meat. So I've added fresh pepper. At this point I'm adding seasoning, then salt for taste will follow suit. I will now come back after some time. As you can see, it is boiling. Then I will introduce the rice and beans. Hello guys, are you following this channel? If you are not following this channel, why now? Waiting I do you. Haba, subscribe to this channel. Haba now, my lovely people, subscribe, okay? Give me that strength and muscle. So I will stir and I will cover, and later come back to add my smoked fish. This is actually smoked fish. We need rishi, no matter how small, even though it's a low budget food, we need it rishi. So I've added it and I will cover it so that it can dry up, and I will come back after some time to check on it. As you can see, it is good to go. Try this method with your chicken money and everybody be asking me, how come? Yeah. So as you can see, it is ready. Just get your plate, get the spoon and come over. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do us well and subscribe. And I also want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. You see this rice and beans, it is for you. Just come over and collect it. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for the strength and muscle. Love you. Please subscribe, please like, comment and share. Thank you.